अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज जो मेरे प्यारे दोस्त रेहान अलावाला ने यूएसए से एक डिवाइस मुझे भेजा है, अभी मैं आपके सामने उसको ट्राई करता हूँ। पहले दिखाता हूँ अमेज़ॉन, ये ग्रिप बना हुआ है, ये देखो बिल्कुल, और यहाँ पे शाइनी बना हुआ है। एक आम सी चीज़ मगर बहुत काम की चीज़। इसके साथ मसलन ये आपको मैं दिखा देता हूँ कि किस तरह ये काम करता है। ये वो चीज़ है कि आइंदा ज़िंदगी का ज़्यादातर दारोमदार इस मामूली सी छोटी डिवाइस पर होगा। मसलन आप इस पे ख़रीदारी भी कर सकते हो। आप इससे घर की बत्तियाँ भी एक कमांड दे के, एक आवाज़ दे के इसे घर की जो बत्ती चाहो लगा सकते हो, जो बत्ती चाहो बुझा सकते हो। इससे आप बहुत कुछ पूछ सकते हो। इसके तरक्की के मनाजिल अभी भी बहुत से बाकी है। मसलन अभी मैं पूछता हूँ इससे, Alexa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Alexa, who are you?
I'm Alexa and I'm designed around your voice. You can ask me to play music, answer questions, get the weather and sports scores, create to-do lists and much more.
Alexa, Alexa, who am I?
But you're not Soxai's account.
Yes. Alexa, yes, I am Achakzai. Alexa, who is President of Pakistan?
Pakistan's president is Mamnoon Hussain.
Alexa, who is President of Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe's president is Emerson Mnangagwa.
Alexa, how many provinces in Pakistan?
Pakistan has 4 regional provinces.
Alexa, sing a song.
Your circuits are fused, you're feeling confused. Why, oh why, oh why?
هذا باب الله للشروط. Alexa, tell me about water.
Water is a polar inorganic compound that is at room temperature a tasteless and odorless liquid, which is nearly colorless apart from a hint of blue.
Alexa, tell me about green tea.
Green tea is a type of tea that is made from Camellia sinensis leaves that have not undergone the same withering and oxidation process used to make oolong and black tea. Green tea originated in China, but its production has spread to many countries in Asia.
Alexa, tell me weather of Karachi.
Right now in Karachi, Pakistan, it's 68 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has cloudy skies moving in and out, with a low
Stop,
of 54
Alexa.
degrees.
Alexa, how much population of Pakistan?
The population of Pakistan is about 182 million.
Alexa, send a message.
To whom?
To Donald Trump.
Sorry, I couldn't find the contact matching Donald Trump. To see your contacts, go to the Alexa app.
Alexa, send a message.
To whom?
To Rehan Allahwala. इसका ये भी फ़ायदा है कि ये डिवाइस पड़े पड़े आप इसको बता दें कि फलाने को मैसेज भेज दे, वो उसी टाइम इसको मैसेज भेज देगा, उसी को प्ले होगा। अगर वो आपको मैसेज भेजना चाहे तो आपको मैसेज भेज सकता है, कांटेक्ट कर सकता है। ये एक और फ़ायदा है इसका। Alexa, set my alarm.
Alarm for what time?
5 a.m.
Alarm set for 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, tell me breaking news.
Here's your flash briefing. From Reuters TV. from Reuters TV. Here are today's top stories. A second North Korean soldier makes a break for the South.
Tell me sports news.
Here is your sports update. In football, on Monday the Seahawks lost to the Rams.
Alexa, who is Nawaz Sharif?
Mian Mohammad Nawaz Sharif is a Pakistani business magnate and politician who served as the Prime Minister of Pakistan from 2013 until he was disqualified for life from office by the Supreme Court of Pakistan in 2017.
Alexa, who is Maulana Fazlur Rahman?
Here's something I found on Wikipedia. Maulana Fazlur Rahman is a Pakistani politician who is currently a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan and the president of the Jamiat Ulama-e-Islam, F.
Alexa, who is Mahmud Khan Achakzai?
Mahmud Khan Atsakzai, born December 14, 1948, is a Pakistani politician who is a current member of the National Assembly of Pakistan and the chairman of Pashtun Kamili Awami Party.
Alexa, who is Imran Khan?
Imran Khan Niazi Pipi Hai is a Pakistani politician, former first-class cricketer and philanthropist who leads the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and serves as a member of the National Assembly.
Alexa, who is Benazir Bhutto?
Benazir Bhutto was a Pakistani politician who served as Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1988 to 1990 and again from 1993 to 1996.
Alexa, who is Ashraf Ghani?
Muhammad Ashraf Ghani Ahmadzai is the current president of Afghanistan, elected on September 21, 2014.
Alexa, who is Mullah Omar?
Mullah Muhammad Omar, widely known as Mullah Omar, was the supreme commander and spiritual leader of the Taliban.
Alexa, what is Islam?
Islam is an Abrahamic monotheistic religion teaching that there is only one God and that Muhammad is a messenger of God.
Alexa, what is Hinduism?
The term Hinduism means the religion of most people in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal.
तो दोस्तों ये चीज़ था, लेकिन इसमें अभी और भी तरक्की आना है। इसमें आप न्यूज़ सुन सकते हो, इसको आप कमांड दे सकते हो, यानी इस पे आप जो भी कुछ मसलन आप सवाल पूछ सकते हो। तो ये चीज़ है। थैंक यू रेहान भाई, कोशिश है कि लोगों तक नई टेक्नोलॉजी पहुंच जाए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।